Hello viewers, today we learn. Solve problem slow laptop or computer. Press Windows plus or type %temp press enter. Then you show recent file, select all and delete. Again press Windows plus or type recent. Then you show temp file, select all and delete. Press Windows plus or type prefetch. Then you show temp file, select all and delete. Click this PC or my computer. Computer drive show. Select local disk C. Goes to properties. Click tools. Click check. Click scan drive. Your drive scan process start. If complete, click OK. Click optimize. Select drive. Click optimize. If complete, click OK. Click optimize. Select drive. Click optimize. Click optimize. Select drive. Click optimize. Right-click Windows button. Click on Setting. Click System. Click Storage. Select Temporary Files. Click checkbox, then click Remove. File removing process bar 8 bars. Goes to Task Manager. Click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. Disable apps which you want. Disable Auto Startup. Close program file if you do not use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and press bell icon.